These are the coolest compact cruisers in their class with the biggest engines and capabilities. Welcome to my channel, I am Thomas, and in today's video episode I am going to show you the top 5 coolest compact cruisers with the big engines for 2025. I am a person who weighs 80 kilos and I am 177 centimeters tall. And what do you think? Are these bikes compact for someone with these parameters? I think yes, because I will see and ride in cruisers that are big, heavy, and I think these bikes are the golden standard between the big badass cruisers and the little ones. I will personally advise you to pay attention to these cruisers both this year and in 2025 because you may not get what you expect in the case of their renewals, and in the case of non-renewals you will get exciting cruisers at discounted prices. The world is getting more expensive, friends, and we should try not to be dragged into their affairs by marketers and buy what is quality, even if it is old, and not what they call quality. So friends, you keep going, watch the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You know my channel is all about motorcycles and your trusted source for the latest insights into the world of motorcycles.